Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Princess, and in this video I'm going to be doing this makeup look, and if you want to see how to do it, then just keep watching. So first I'm using the Too Faced HangoverX 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. Then I'm taking the Too Faced HangoverX Replenishing Face Primer. For foundation, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and it's in the shade Honey. So first I'm taking a brush to apply it all over my face, and then I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender to blend it all out. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender and blend it all out. A damp beauty blender. Then I use the Makeup Forever Camouflage Concealer to conceal under my eyes. I'm gonna use this to basically highlight a few areas of my face, like under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my smile lines, and around my lips, right here, the sides of my forehead. I need to highlight over here because it's suitable for my face. I'm not gonna be highlighting the middle of my forehead. I don't want to make it look bigger. If you have a big forehead or you don't want to make your forehead look bigger, then don't highlight that area. If you already have a very big nose, then don't highlight the bridge of your nose. I mean, it just depends on your unique face, and you have to look at your face and try to understand which area needs to be contoured and which area needs to be highlighted. Then to set all of that concealer and highlighting concealer, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm gonna be taking this shade. I like to apply a setting powder all over my face before I contour, so that my contour doesn't really rub off my foundation. Unless I've done a cream contour, I definitely put the setting powder all over my face. I'm taking the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder to set my under eye concealer even further, just because even after using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, the setting powder, I can still see the bags. So today I'm gonna use I'm just gonna use it slightly over here also to cover up the darkness. I don't really have a fixed setting powder routine because it depends on if I'm doing a cream contour or if I'm not doing. If I'm doing a cream contour, then I don't put the setting powder all over my face because obviously there is a cream contour, so that time I only use the setting powder in specific areas. But when I don't have cream contour on, I do it all over my face. You can see some other of my makeup videos to find out my different style. To contour, I'm again gonna be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. I'm gonna be using this shade. To contour my nose, I'm going to be using this shade. Then for my eyebrows, I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro Pomade in the color Dark Brown. To prime my eyelids, I use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Eye Primer. For eyeshadow, I'm taking the Chocolate Gold palette. So first I'm gonna take the shade Cocoa Truffle, and I'm gonna blend it all over my transition area. Then I'm taking the color So Boji, and I'm just gonna dust it slightly above where I've applied previous shade to kind of like smoke it out just a little bit. Just blending a little. Then I'm taking this shade Rich Girl and I'm gonna apply it right on the lids. I'm using this large shader brush and I'm gonna apply some setting spray on this brush. Then I'm taking this shade Decadent, just a tiny bit of it, and I'm just gonna apply it right here, just a little bit. So we're not like making it a very sharp crease, it's just a very subtle crease and just applying very little of this color. Most of it is going to be here on the outer lid. Then I'm just taking this fluffy blending brush without any product on it and I'm just blending this color. Just kind of smoke it out a little bit. Again, I'm taking the color Cocoa Truffle and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line just to kind of smoke it out. To line my eyelids, I use the Benefit They Are Real Push-Up Liner. And here it is. Then for eyelashes, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Lana lashes, the number 10 lashes with duo eyelash adhesive. So here are the lashes. They're the Huda Beauty Lana number 10 lashes and I think they look so cool. Then I'm taking Becca Chrissy Teigen palette to apply a highlight and a blush. First I'm applying this pinky blush. Then I'm gonna be applying this shade as a highlight. I'm taking a very small smudger brush and I'm taking this shade and I'm just gonna apply on the tear duct area. For lipstick, I used Kylie Lip Kit in the shade Dolce Cake. So this is pretty much it. I'm just gonna use a setting spray. I'm using the Urban Decay De-Slick Oil Control Makeup Setting Spray. So this is pretty much all of the makeup and now I'm gonna change my outfit. So I changed my outfit and I'm wearing a lehenga. This is a random top that I'm wearing with this. I couldn't find the one which is with this one. For now I'm just wearing this. You can actually wear this look with any color outfit. It's not only for Indian outfit, you can wear it for any kind of outfit you want. So this makeup and this outfit is a great combination to wear at an Indian wedding, on Diwali, or at an Indian engagement ceremony or any other Indian occasion. This makeup look is something that'll go with any kind of outfit. It's just so simple and easy and super quick, and it's neutral, which is the best part. I don't have to think much of what my clothes color should be. Since it's neutral, it's gonna look good with everything. So somehow I managed to find the matching top, and now I'm wearing it. So as you can see, this is the final look, and this is the outfit that I'm wearing. I'm wearing earrings, I'm wearing a bindi, and initially I was wearing a bindi as you saw, but I removed it because I didn't like it, and I'm wearing bangles. So this is a lehenga. I'm going to be showing you the full footage of this lehenga as well. Right now I can just stand up. So that's how it looks. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, then make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell right beside the subscribe button to turn on notifications. So this is it for this video, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.